Ryan. Today we're gonna yank Rainbow Dash. Try to do a lucky charm with Rainbow Dash like an miraculous ladybug. Can you do ladybug? Okay, face the wall. Lucky charm. We have the baby kitten. She didn't. She didn't. It almost go to the baby kitten. She just touched the like this.
Yeah, but the baby kitten's so cute now.
Good thing na tabi siya.
Like and subscribe for the baby kittens to be happy.
There's no baby kittens. I'm gonna try to do a double front flip. Show. Jump. Go up there. Okay. Try to not hit yourself. 1, 2, 3.
I just tried the room.